If CapCut on your PC is running slow, lagging, or crashing, clearing the cache can fix it. Here's how to do it in CapCut PC. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once CapCut opens, click the Settings icon in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Click Delete, then click OK. CapCut will clear the cache, which may take a few seconds depending on the size. Now, to prevent this problem in the future, stay on the same screen. Enable Auto Delete Cache Files Older Than and set it to 15 or 30 days. Click Save. After clearing the cache, close CapCut completely and reopen it for the best results. That's it. Clearing the cache frees up space and helps CapCut run smoothly. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.